If you're seeing an itch.io forbidden error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get back to browsing, downloading, or uploading without the frustration. This issue is usually caused by a temporary connection problem, a browser conflict, a VPN, or saved cookies that need to be refreshed. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly what to try and in what order for the fastest results. If this video helps, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. All right, let's fix it. First, check your internet connection. A forbidden error can sometimes appear when your connection is unstable or when the website can't properly verify your request. Open another website and make sure it loads normally. If pages are taking too long or not loading at all, your internet connection may be the real problem. In that case, restart your router or switch to a more stable network, and then try itch.io again. Next, refresh the page. This may sound basic, but a simple refresh can clear a temporary loading issue and reconnect you to the site properly. If the error appeared out of nowhere, refresh once or twice and see if the page loads. Sometimes the request just needs to be sent again. Now turn off your VPN if you're using one. Many websites, including itch.io, may block or limit certain traffic from VPN servers, which can trigger a forbidden error. If you have a VPN extension or app running, disable it completely, then reload the page. This is one of the most common fixes, especially if the site was working before and suddenly stopped. After that, clear your browser cache and cookies. Stored website data can be outdated or corrupted, and that can stop itch.io from loading correctly. Go into your browser settings, find the privacy or history section, and clear cached files and cookies for itch.io or for all browsing data if needed. Once that's done, close the browser completely and reopen it before testing the site again. Another important step is to log out and log back in again. If itch.io has a session issue or a temporary authentication problem, signing out can reset the connection. Log out of your itch.io account, then sign back in with your credentials and try the page again. This can help refresh your account session and remove access-related glitches. If the error still appears, try a different browser. Sometimes the problem is limited to one browser because of an extension, a privacy setting, or stored data that isn't behaving correctly. For example, if you're using Chrome, try Firefox or Edge. If it works in another browser, then you know the issue is with your original browser rather than itch.io itself. You can also try opening itch.io in an incognito or private window. This is a quick way to test whether browser extensions or saved cookies are causing the issue. If the site works in private mode, then one of your extensions or browser settings is likely interfering. In that case, disable extensions one by one until you find the one causing the problem. If none of these steps fix the forbidden error, the issue may be temporary on itch.io's side or related to your network route. Wait a little while and try again later, especially if the site is under heavy traffic or maintenance. You can also test a different network, like mobile data, just to see whether your home network is being blocked. So to quickly recap, the best fixes for an itch.io forbidden error are check your internet connection, refresh the page, turn off VPN, clear browser cache and cookies, log out and log back in, and try a different browser. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the problem. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful troubleshooting videos. And if you want, I can also make a follow-up video showing advanced fixes for itch.io access issues, so leave a comment and let me know.